Hello guys, today is Monday morning and last night Sunday we have bad weather, and this is what happened here beside the turkey coop. And right now we don't have a pump because some of the tree fall in the power line, and this is what happened. Now we have a total damage of our electricity, and here in property we need to clean everything. And over there, that is the cost. I don't know if you see, if you notice that the tree over there in this area, and the cost of the electric power line is over there. So we really need to clean everything. The power company will come here to fix this. I can't open right now my coop. I will wait for my husband because the power line, it goes over there. And my birds, they want to go out. Let's see guys. What is the totally damage of this area? See you later. This is the tree, the cause of our power line fell, and that is the power line. It goes there, and that is our brooder. The pecan still okay, only this kind of trees. So it's look like three trees. Three trees. It fell here in power line. Yeah, the weather last night, it's so bad, very strong the wind. And this kind of tree, this is not very, it is not hardwood. That's why my husband, he wants to rid this kind of tree. This is the total damage of our birdhouse, our electricity. But I mean, the birdhouse is our chicken house. They are okay, the coop. What I mean is we don't have a power because of these trees. This is the back of the coop of my chicken. See, This tree is still okay. Oh, this is it. Look at this, guys. We really need but this is not the one that caused why we don't have a power line. But it's damaged our fence. Look at the fence of the turkey. The guineas, they don't know what happened, and they want to go out. Very strong, really, the storm last night. See the power line, it cut. This is the tree that caused that we don't have a power this time. And this is the power line that I'm talking about. See that, guys? Here, and it goes there, goes in our scrap yard. That is and here the tree is okay. My cow is eating over there, and Matthew and little Matt, how are you? I'm glad you're okay. Are you hiding somewhere there at the woods last night? Huh? Little Matt? Matthew. Little Matt. Margaret's over there. Busy. Dirty the head. Margaret? See you later, Matthew. Little Matt. Okay, guys. I will see you later. Even this is what happened here in our property. Still, we are thankful. See you later. God bless.